A 50-year-old man is dead and 2 other people are injured following an incident on the grounds of Ocho Rios football field in St. Ann on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Junior A, who is said to have been homeless. Reports from the Ocho Rios police are that about 3:20 a.m., A and a woman were asleep in a building on the grounds of the football field when they were attacked. It is alleged that the attacker hit A and the woman in the head with a sharp object. According to the lawmen, a man that was in another section of the building heard the commotion and went to assist when he was also hit. The police were summoned and the injured persons were assisted to the hospital where A died while treated and the other 2 persons admitted. A double murder in the otherwise quiet community of Dover St. Mary on Thursday has left residents shocked and in disbelief. The deceased has been identified as 68-year-old Maurice Edwards, otherwise called Morrow, a laborer, and his friend unemployed 57-year-old Michael Harris, also known as Fresh Air or Mikey. Reports are that 2 men were sitting outside of a bar in the community around 6 p.m. when gunmen in a white Toyota Probox motor car alighted from the vehicle and opened fire, hitting Edwards and Harris all over their bodies. The gunmen drove off, but the vehicle that is believed to have been used in the shooting was found in bushes in the Interboreal community. It is also believed that the gunmen escaped into nearby bushes. The Anata Bay police are investigating. 33-year-old Romario James, otherwise called Desi, of Belvedere Road in Red Hill, St. Andrew, was charged for breaches of the Firearm Act following an incident on Leoneral Street, Kingston 20. Reports from the Elliston Road police are that about 9:20 p.m., James and an accomplice allegedly armed with guns opened fire, hitting another man. The man ran and was chased. He collapsed in the vicinity of a police station. He was taken to the hospital where he was admitted and treated. Police said the incident took place on Friday, April 7. James was later arrested and pointed out during an identification parade on Tuesday, July 25. He was subsequently charged with wounding with intent, unauthorized possession of prohibited weapon, and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Arrangements are being made for him.